Okay. If two waves are represented by y1 is equals to 4 into sine omega t and y2 is equals to 3 into sine omega t plus of your pi by 3. Okay.
Yes,
They
sir.
are interfere at point. They interfere at a point. The amplitude of resulting wave is the amplitude of resulting wave will be about. First option is 7, second option is 6, third option is 5, and fourth option is 3.5. Try to do it. What is the question? We got two waves, beta. And is
Yes,
asking
sir.
us to calculate what, beta? Amplitude
The
of
amplitude.
resultant waves. So two waves are represented by y1 and y2 interfere at a point. The amplitude of the resulting wave will be about how much for me? Compare with the standard equation, beta. Y1 can be written as y1 will be equal to something like a1 into sine omega t.
Yes, sir.
When y2 is equals to your, this one will become
A2,
from
sir.
your a2 into your sine of your omega t plus of your phi. I know
Yes,
the a1, I know the a2. Resultant amplitude can be calculated with the formula under root of your. This one will become for me a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 into your cos of
Cos,
your
sir.
phi.
Yes, sir.
So phi value is given how much for me, beta? A1 is equals to how much for me? 4. A2 is equals to 3 and phi value will be equal to pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Yes, sir.
So how much I'm getting approximately? Will be about another, ante nearby lo vastundi. So this will be equal to under root of a1 is nothing but 4 square plus this one is your 3 square plus 2 into 4 into 3 into your cos pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
Pi by 3 means how much, beta?
3 and 3 we can cos pi by 3 is cos 90, sir.
180 divided by 180 divided by 9, sorry, 3.
3. Okay, yeah, that's 2 pi. Yes, sir.
Isn't
60,
it?
sir. 60, sir. Cos 60.
Cos 60 means how much?
Minus 1 by 2, sir.
Huh? Cos 60. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2.
Okay, cos 120. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Chalo, ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది? అంటే this one and this one will get cancel.
Yes,
so that
sir.
will be equal to under root of 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, plus 3 4s are 12.
Well,
This will
yes,
be
sir.
equal to how much? Under root of 16 plus 9,
25, sir.
25 plus 12,
37, sir.
37.
Root 37 and
Root 37 అంటే nearby to root 36 only na?
36. Yes, sir.
అంటే approximately equal to 6 అని రాసుకోనా?
6. Yes, sir.
So 6 will be the answer for this. What an idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you get some wave equations, this is the way how do we do the problem. Okay?
Yes.
Sure. I'm giving you one more question. You please try to do this one. Say for example, we got two light waves. Two light waves are given by E1 is equals to sine of your 100 pi t minus kx plus of your 30 degrees. And E2 is equals to your 3 into cos, this one is 2 pi t minus of your k into your x plus of your 60 degrees. Okay, the ratio of intensity your intensity of first wave to that of second wave. To that of your second wave is. Okay, so this is a question. First option is given as 2 by 3. Second option is given as 4 by 9. Third option is 1 by 9. And fourth option is 1 by 3. See how much I'm getting. Read the question carefully.
Yes, sir.
Two light waves are represented by E1 and E2 beta. Two light waves are represented by E1 and E2. E1 is equals to, this one is 2 sine beta. This one is 2. 2 sine 100 pi t minus kx plus 30 degrees. and E2 is equals to 3 into cos 2 pi t minus kx plus 60. The ratio of intensity of the first wave to that of the second wave will be equal to how much? What is intensity formula, beta? Intensity is directly proportional to your square of your amplitude.
Yes, okay, yes, sir.
Isn't it? So can I write like that? So I can write I1 by your I2 will be equal to your A1 square divided by A2 square. So in the
Yes,
first
sir.
one, it is how much for me? A1 is 2. A2 is nothing but how much for me or 3.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And then,
Yes, sir.
so that will become how much for me beta? 2 square divided by your 3 square. That means this will be equal to how much for me? 4 by 9. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, sure. Next question. White light is used. White light is used in a YDSC. In a YDSC with capital D is equals to your 1 meter and small d is equals to 0.9 mm. Okay, so in this one, light reaches the screen at position y is equals to 1 mm. Y is equals to 1 mm is passed through a prism. Is passed through a prism and its spectrum is obtained. Spectrum is obtained. Find the missing lines. Find the missing lines in the visible region. In the visible region of this spectrum. Okay, so try to read the question. White light is used in YDSC beta. Capital D is given as 1 meter, small d is given as 0.9 mm. Light reaches the screen at a point, y is equals to 1 mm, placed through a prism, and its spectrum is obtained. Find the missing lines is asking. Find the missing lines.
Yes, okay.
For the missing means what beta? Destructive interference, kada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't missing is destructive interference. So destructive interference delta x is equals to how much for me? 2n minus 1 into your lambda by 2. Isn't it? Delta x will be equal to how much beta? You know the formula? Y into small d divided by capital D.
Yes, sir.
So that will be equal to your 2n minus 1 into your lambda divided by 2. Isn't it? So what we need to calculate right now in this one? Lambda.
Lambda by 2.
Isn't
Yes,
it? So lambda value will be equal to your how much for this one? Okay. So lambda will be equal to 2 times of y into small d divided by, this will be equal to how much beta? Is equal to this one is capital D into 2n minus of 1. Okay, that will be equal to 2. Y value is given how much beta? 1 mm. Isn't it?
1 mm.
So
yes,
1 mm means y value how much beta? 10 to the power of minus 3. Isn't it? Small d is given how much for me? Small d is given as of your 0.9 mm.
0.9.
That means that will become for me 0.9 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
Yes.
Divided by, this one is capital D. Capital D is given how much for me?
Directly.
Capital D is given as of your 1 meter.
Yes.
So this one is 1 into, this one is nothing but 2 into your. So what is the value of your n? I don't know. Kada?
Yes.
Isn't it? So what is the value of your n part deflations? I'll take in terms of your n only. So this will be equal to your 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. See how much I'm getting this one? So anything is getting cancelled in this one. So wavelength will be equal to your, this is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. If I remove the point, this will become for me 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 2n minus 1. 2 nines are 18. So this will become for me 18 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 4 divided by 2n minus of 1. That means this will become how much for me? Lambda is equals to your 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 4 means how much?
Minus 7, sir.
Minus
7, sir.
minus 7. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Minus 7 ante I can write in terms of your no, wavelength will be in terms of nanometers kada, and this will become approximately 1800 nanometer divided by 2n minus
Okay,
1.
yes, sir.
Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
So this will become the relation. So this is your lambda form. Now if I take
Yes,
n
sir.
is equals to 1,
It
is
won't
equals
come in
to
visible,
1,
sir.
lambda will be equal to your 1800 divided by how much?
1.
2 into 1, 1. 2 minus 1, this is
2
nothing but
minus
1.
1, 1. Yes,
So
sir.
then n is equals to 2 if I'm taking. Lambda is equals to 1800 divided by 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, that is nothing but a few 3.
600, sir. It'll come, sir, visible.
This one is how much for me?
600, sir, visible.
This one is 600. Okay, this one is your 1800. Then n is equals to 3 if I take. Lambda is equals to 1800 divided by 2 into 3. 3 minus 1, it is nothing but a 5. So that is how much?
5, yes, sir. 350, sir.
350, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Etla?
360, sir. Sorry.
360, yeah?
Yes, sir.
360 nanometers. This one is also nanometers. This one is also nanometers. Okay. So if I take n is equals to 4, wavelength will be equal to how much beta? 1800 divided by 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1800 divided by 7.
Sir, this is coming in decimals. 1800 by 7.
Decimals plus one.
Yes, sir.
And that means this will be not possible then. Because
Not possible,
it will lie
yes,
in
sir.
which region beta?
Sir, it's between from 350 only, right, sir? So
Yeah, so that means 300
only
to
3.
600.
Yes, sir.
This will be missing.
Yes, sir.
So 600 nanometer and 300 meter nanometer this will lie in your visible region.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Visible region. Why? Because it will be from 400 nanometer to your 700 nanometer, something like, or it is 4000 angstrom to your 7000 angstroms. Visible range region. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So there, hence there will be missing lines in the visible spectrum of what will be 1800, and this will not be presented. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You can write it out together.
Yes, sir.
So the next one. This you try to do it out better. This is a good question. If the eighth bright band due to light of wavelength lambda 1 coincides with ninth bright band from a light of wavelength lambda 2 in YDSC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then the possible wavelengths of visible light are, first one is 400
N value we can take it, sir.
to 450 nanometer. Yes, beta?
Sir, we can take it as the 8th and 9th, we can take it as N values, right, sir?
Yeah, n values, exactly. Second option is given for me 425 mm and your 400 nanometer. And the third one is 400 nanometer and 425 nanometer. And fourth one is 450 nanometer and 400 nanometer. So try to see it. Eighth band is being coinciding with the ninth one beta. So If eighth band is
Sir, so
good
we
question.
can use the formula of
Nth bright fringe.
yes, sir. So
Nth bright fringe.
n lambda d
Yeah.
by small d.
Nth bright fringe. ఎంత?
Sir, n lambda
Lambda capital D divided by small d.
small d. Yes.
So 8 of lambda 1 into capital D divided by small d is coinciding with 9 into your lambda 2 into capital D divided by small d. This one will get
This one,
cancelled.
yes.
So lambda
So
1 by
lambda
lambda 2
1
is
by
how much? Lambda 1 by lambda 2 is 9 by 8.
9 by 8. Yes, sir.
See which is the possible range we can possible with. And the two answers ఇచ్చాడు కదా, you need to take the ratio.
Yes, sir. So
First one
so-
వస్తుందా 400 and
No,
450
sir.
nanometer వస్తుందా?
first one not possible, sir.
చేయవు సార్, ట్రై అన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ట్రై చేయాలి.
Yes, sir. No, sir. First one's not possible, sir.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ట్రై చేయి.
No, no, sir.
Okay, first one is not
25, first
possible.
is not
Second is also not possible. Third one. Second one is reverse కదా.
Yes, sir.
Possible అవుతుందా?
That's also not possible. Yes,
Not
sir.
possible. The only option left out is
Fourth
fourth one.
one.
వస్తుందా చూడు, 450 divided by 400. 45 divided by 40.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wastun, sir.
వస్తుందా కదా direct?
Exact lines, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Next question. The YDSE is performed with light of wavelength 6000 angstroms. Okay, wherein 16 fringes occupy a certain region. On the screen. Okay, if 24 fringes occupy the same region with another light, of wavelength lambda, then lambda is dash. చెప్తావా?
Yes, sir.
ట్రై చేయవు సార్.
So 4,000, sir. Sir, 4,000.
4,000, huh? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
4,000 meter. Very good. 4,000. Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
So
16 into
wavelength is
6,000 by
yeah,
24.
lambda 1 is given for me how much? But 6,000 angstroms.
6,000.
కదా?
Yes,
So
sir.
number of fringes in each దీంట్లో 16.
16.
Now
Yes.
lambda 2 is how much? When
Question
n2
mark,
is given
N2
for
is
me
24. Yes.
అవునా కదా? So for nth bright fringe, we know the formula beta,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So I'll be writing this relation right now. N into d into lambda 1 divided by your d must be equal to your, this is n1. N2 into capital D into lambda 2 divided by small d, capital D gets cancelled. So I can use N1 lambda 1 is equals to N2 lambda 2. This is a direct shortcut,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So you can use that one directly, we can get the value of lambda 2. So lambda 2 is equals to N1 lambda 1 divided by N2. N1 is how much? 16, lambda 1 is your 6,000 divided by N2 is nothing but 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? So 16 into 6 anta?
Sir, we can
16 is,
take 6 fours are like these codes, sir.
yeah, you can
6
simplify.
fours are
So this
24.
much amount వస్తుంది 3,000,
1000.
7,000,
Yes,
4,000
sir.
angströms.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. Separation between slits is half. Okay. And between screen and slit is doubled. Final fringe width if original is W is dash. I'll give the option W. Second one is 9W. Third one is your 4W. And fourth one is 2W. Right? Direct question.
Sir, the fringe width formula we can use, right, sir? Because Sante with the fringe width of so D and D small d is half. So this will go up means sir 4, sir 4 because it is halved, right, sir? So this small d will become d by 2. If 2 goes up, we'll get it as 4. So 4 times will increase, sir. Sir 4, sir 4 times, sir.
4 times వచ్చిందా?
Sir, because small d is d by 2, right, sir? It's half.
Yeah, fine, very good. Yeah.
So if it goes up,
Fringe width formula is what, beta?
sir,
Capital D lambda by
capital D
small d.
lambda by small d.
This
Yes,
fringe width is represented by W in the problem now.
yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? Now, if I'm writing new fringe width, that is W dash అనుకుందాం.
Yes,
Capital
sir.
D is how much for me? 2 times of D.
2
Wavelength
times.
is not changed. That is lambda.
Yes, sir.
But D dash is becoming for me D by.
Half. Yes.
Very good. So that will become for me 4 times of
4
capital
times
D
of
into
capital.
lambda divided by small d.
Yes,
This
sir.
will become for me 4 times of
4
your
times
W.
of W. Yes, sir.
వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next one. The question which in YDSE, when sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstroms is used, then 62 fringes are seen in the field of weave. In the field of your weave. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead, if violet light of wavelength 4358 angstroms is used, then the number of fringes
He is given lambda 1, lambda 2, n1.
that will be seen in the field of weave.
Sir, we can use that previous formula, right, sir? N1 lambda is equals to n.
First option is 54, second option is 64, third option is 74, and fourth option is 84. Chalo.
So 58. 93 into 62 divided by 4359. Sir, 84, sir.
Very good, 84.
Yes, sir.
Chinda?
Yes, sir. Ochun, sir. N2 is equals to N1 lambda 1 by
Exactly.
lambda.
Number of fringes look I can write directly like this. N1 beta 1 will be
Yes,
equal
sir,
to your
beta.
N2
Yes.
times of your beta 2.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so it is your N1 into this one is D into lambda 1 divided by D is equals to N2 into D into lambda 2 by your D.
Yes, sir.
This one will get cancelled. So what I'm getting right now, again direct shortcut formula N1 lambda 1
N1.
is equals to N2 into your lambda 2. What
Yes,
is
sir.
asking in the problem? N2 kada. So N2
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal to your N1 lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. N1 is given how much for me, beta?
N1 is 62, sir.
And lambda 1 is given how much for me? 5893
8, 9,
divided
yes,
by
sir.
4358.
5, 9.
How
5,
much
8,
you got
sorry.
it?
Yes. 84, sir. 83.9
Very
at all.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Question 1 చూడు. The wavelength of light used in YDSE. YDSE is lambda. Okay. The intensity at a point on the screen is I. Okay. Where the path difference is lambda by 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I naught denotes the maximum intensity, then ratio of I and I naught is. Just note, I'll give the options for this one. First option is 0.866, 0.5, 0.707 and 0.75. The wavelength of light used in YDSE is lambda. The intensity at a point on a screen is I, where
Yes.
the path difference is pi by 6. If I naught denotes the maximum intensity, then the ratio of I by I naught is how much? What is the formula beta in terms of I and I naught formula intensity? I is equals to I naught into your cos square
Yes,
5
sir.
by 2. ఉందా లేదా derivation మనం
Yes, sir.
cos square 5 by 2 is asking the ratio of what I by I naught.
I by.
I by your I naught will be equal to your cos square 5 by 2. He has given me path difference, that means delta x. Delta x is given as lambda c, and delta phi will be equal to how much beta? So delta phi will be equal to how much beta? 2 pi by lambda into your delta x, and I can even write phi is equals to 2 pi by lambda into your x. This is your formula to calculate the value of phi. Antena?
Yes.
So phi value in the phi is equals to 2 pi by your lambda into x. At what distance is the path difference beta? Lambda by 6. This lambda will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. And phi will become how much for me beta? Pi by 3. Pi by 3 means how many degrees? 60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Ratio
Yes,
in
sir.
the I by your I naught is equals to your cos square into your phi is 60. That means it's 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2 అంటే ఎంత? Cos square 30 degrees.
Yes.
Cos 30 ఎంత? Root
Sir,
3
1 by 2. Cos 30. Yes, sir. Root 3.
root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 by whole square అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 3 by 4
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. Which
3
is
into root 3 divided by 2 into 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. 3 by 4 means how much?
0.75, sir.
0.75.
75, sir.
So fourth option will be the answer. What an idea?
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Path difference ఇచ్చి intensity ఇస్తే ఇది conditions. ఈ ఫామ్ లో మనకు గుర్తు రావాలి అప్పుడు I is
Okay,
equals to your I naught into your cos square of your 5/2. Okay. Yeah. ये 15 मिनट चलो in a YDSE, one of the slit is covered with a transparent sheet. With a transparent sheet of thickness 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters, due to which the position of central fringe shifts to a position originally occupied by 30th fringe, 30th bright fringe. 30th bright fringe. Good question, Beta. The refractive index of sheet is okay, provided if lambda is equals to 6000 angstroms. I'll give the first option 1.5, second option 1.2, third option 1.3, fourth option is 1.7. In a YDSE, one of the slit is covered with a transparent sheet of your thickness. Thickness is given for me, beta. So what is the thickness he has given for me in the problem?
3.6.
3.6 part affiliation. So thickness
Yes.
is given for me as of here 3.6. No? So
Yes,
thickness is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters. Due to which the position of the central fringe shifts to a position originally occupied by what? 30th one. That means
Yes, sir.
position of your 30th bright fringe will be equal to 30 into lambda capital D divided by small d.
Small d. Yes.
So how do we calculate the shift in pattern, beta? Shift, I told you, it will be shifting by your
Mu minus 1. Yes,
capital
sir.
D into lambda into mu minus 1 into thickness.
Yes, sir.
And this two must be equal. This shift will be equal to y of your 30th. That means 30 of lambda into capital D divided by small d must be occupied by this shift. And this will be d into lambda into mu minus 1 into your thickness. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Now anything is getting cancelled in this one. This capital D will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Cancel out na? Cancel avadam ledhu kada?
No, sir.
So this will become for me how much? 30 into your lambda is equals to d by your lambda into mu minus 1 into your thickness. Now I
Yes.
need to calculate what? Mu minus 1. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So this will become how much? Mu minus 1 will be equal to your how much? 30.
Sir, thickness is given. So 30 lambda divided by t.
Your 30.
Sir, ikkada you took lambda in the denominator. D ఉండాలి కదా.
ఇంకొకటి ఉన్నాను.
ఇక్కడ మీరు lambda తీసుకున్నారు కదా సార్.
అవును.
It's capital D by small d into mu minus 1 into t కదా సార్.
Capital D by small d ఇది.
అవును సార్. మీరు lambda తీసుకున్నారు.
ఓకే, స్మాల్ d.
అప్పుడు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోద్ది కదా సార్.
స్మాల్ d కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. స్మాల్ d క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే సో ఈ d ఉండదు ఇంకా. అంటే 1 by lambda అంటే ఇది కూడా ఉండదు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Just check me out.
So t will come here.
Yeah. So this will be equal to how much, beta? 30 into your lambda is equals to mu minus 1 into thickness. అడిగింది
Yes,
కూడా అక్కడ డిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్
mu minus.
సో mu minus 1 is equals to 30 into lambda divided by your t.
Yes, sir.
So mu value will be equal to how much? ఇదంతా వస్తుంది చూడు 30 into
30
ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 6000 angstrom అంటే 6000
Yes,
into 10 to the power of minus 10 divided by thickness is 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus of your 5
centimeters again. So yes, sir.
అంతే కదా
Yes.
సెంటీమీటర్స్ లాగా నోట్ చేసుకున్నాం సో mu minus 1
If this goes up, it will become minus 5.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు 6 is 36 అంతా పోతుంది
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇది mu minus 1
30.
ఎంత వస్తుంది
Sir, it's coming as 50,000 into 10 power minus 5. Ante if this 0.5 వస్తుంది.
0.5 అంటే mu will be equal to how much
1.5. Yes, sir. Mu minus 1
will
is
be
equals to
1.5
yes, sir.
got it
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
what happens if I do the experiment with YDSC with white light beta center what will
White.
be
Sir, center would be okay with white light. Normally means monochromatic means center is white, and with white light means
with white light is also how much center is no doubt it is white but it is
Yes,
followed
sir.
by bluish reddish
yes, sir.
అవునా కదా
Yes, sir.
hey see this one YDSC is made in a liquid okay
Yes, sir.
the 10th bright fringe in liquid lies where 6th dark fringe lies in vacuum okay
Yes, sir.
the refractive index of the liquid is dash first option 1.8 1.54 1.67 1.2 Pages. चल रही है पता आवाज अभी बखा लिया उसको बता रहा हूँ उसका समझ जाए कितना नंदा सुन
Sir, okay, sir. Right.
yeah YDSC is made in a liquid the 10th bright fringe in a liquid lies where 6th dark fringe lies in vacuum
Yes, sir.
good question
Sir, 1.8, sir.
yeah very good 1.8
Yes, sir.
Got it?
20 by 11. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
see what is telling here 10th bright fringe in the water
Yes, sir.
so I'll write that one yeah 10th bright fringe in the water is been coinciding with what beta 6th dark fringe and then
Yes, sir. 6 dark fringe, yes.
Sixth dark fringe. That means that
In
will be
vacuum.
equal to W. Now this
Yes.
one will be 10 into lambda dash into capital D by small d when it is in water.
Yes.
This will be 6 into your
6
capital
into-
D into lambda by your small d. This one, and capital D will get cancelled,
Yes.
isn't it? So this will become how much for me, beta? Lambda dash divided by lambda is equals to your 6 by 10.
6 by 10. Yes.
Okay, na? And this will become for me
And we have to find it in the terms of
0.6 kada.
yes, sir.
Antena?
Yes, sir. Into 2 because here
Yeah. Then lambda by lambda dash will be equal to how much?
lambda by sir will be inverse means 1.3
Lambda dash divided by lambda is equals to 6 by 10. So what is asking right now in the problem? Refractive index.
10 by.
Refractive index means this will be equal to your wavelength in the light divided by lambda dash. That means it will be 1 by 0.6.
So that is
0.6
wrong.
means
Sir.
10 by 6.
1.67, sir.
1.67.
67, sir.
1.67. 1.67 will be the answer. 1.8 ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Sir, I took it in the terms of నేను ఇక్కడ mu calculate చేస్తాను సార్. So mu I took it as 20 అక్కడ by 2 తీసుకున్నా సార్. Lambda by 2 I took by mistake.
Lambda
by 2 I took sir.
నాకు అర్థం కాదా?
Sir, I took it as lambda by 2 sir.
Why?
అక్కడ
Why do you see made in a liquid? A 10th bright fringe in a liquid lies where 6th dark fringe lies in vacuum.
yes sir. So in
6th dark fringe lies in the vacuum. Then the refractive index of liquid will be equal to how much? And it will be 1.57 kada. 1.67.
1.67. Yes sir.
Okay na?
Yes sir.
1.67 అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఉంది అక్కడ. 1.67 is exact.
Yes.
కరెక్టేనా తప్పు చేశాను మనం? బ్రైట్ పాయింట్ కదా డార్క్.
Yes sir. Bright fringe in liquid lies.
IDSC bright fringe lies in a liquid where 6th dark fringe width is not going to change. No, fringe width will be same.
Same in yes sir.
Only path difference will be changing.
Yes sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes sir. Correct only sir. Yes sir.
మిస్సింగ్ వేవ్ లెంత్ ఒక చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది.
Yes sir.
అవునా కదా? అది చేశారా క్లాస్ లో?
మిస్సింగ్ వేవ్ లెంత్ ఇంకా చేయలేదు.
Okay, chalo. Okay na? I'll send you some
Yes.
assignment today. You try to do it based on this one.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay sir.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.